India's electronics manufacturing industry has met the target it set a decade ago and has become the second largest maker of mobile phones in the world, according to the India Cellular and Electronics Association, ICEA. As per ICEA, which represents top smartphone brands like Apple, Xiaomi, Oppo and Vivo, India produced 2.45 billion units of mobile phones worth 4.1 lakh rupees Cr, compared to 18,900 crore rupees in 2014-15. Cumulative exports of mobile phones during the period 2014-24 reached a total estimate of 3.2 lakh rupees Cr. Driven by this export growth, mobile phones have now become India's fifth largest export as an individual commodity. The industry expects to end FY24 with an estimated export of 1.2 lakh rupees Cr, a 7,500% increase in exports over a decade. The centre has announced a production-linked scheme, PLI, to these original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, while local governments have rolled out a red carpet, including offering SOPs such as fast-tracked land acquisition and approvals, to attract them to their respective states. This has led to a growing list of companies making a beeline for India. Chinese phone maker BBK Group announced a partnership with Indian manufacturers Dixon Technologies and Carbon Group for the production of its Oppo, Vivo, and Realme smartphones. Late last year, Google also announced that it will manufacture its Pixel smartphones in the country. Meanwhile, Apple has been rapidly ramping up manufacturing in India, with the country now accounting for nearly 7% of total iPhones produced globally.